Sweating inside.
Sweating inside.
काय म्हणता चिकू सेट?
Happy journey.
What's up people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching the video at. This is your host Ganesh and you're watching my channel Beardo on Enfield. I know it's been so long, almost like about 3 to 4 months now I haven't posted anything on my YouTube channel, and today all of a sudden we made a plan, and I'm actually somewhere at Solapur Road right now. Solapur is in Maharashtra, and I am at my uncle's place, Mama's place. And so what actually happened is last night I got a call from my cousin brother. He told me that he's already here and he asked me to come here. The name of the place is Yevat, and so the plan is right now to go to Jejuri temple. So people, you must be knowing about Jejuri temple, which is a well-known temple in Maharashtra, and so we are heading towards that temple right now, and my cousin brother is going to join me. So we got my classic 350, my Girija, and his Dominar. So guys, stay tuned. I'll see you on the roads in a while.
So guys, as you can see, that's my elder brother, my cousin brother, Masi da ladka, and the guy in white shirt, mere mama ka ladka. Jejur is about somewhat about 70 to 80 kilometers something from here. भाई मेरी क्लासिक है, इतना मत भगा भाई. I can go maximum 120. कहाँ कितने पे भगा रहा है ये? डोमिनर का अच्छा फायदा उठा रहा है मेरा भाई. जेजुरी जाना है, और ऑन द वे अगर मोरगांव है जो गणपति है वो काफ़ी फेमस है. डिस्काउंट है. So I believe road conditions are not that good over here, and apart from that looks like because of the road condition there is a little bit of traffic. So let's see how it goes. Somebody's calling me. Mama. My mom is calling me. Oh God. Off-roading. ये महाराष्ट्र में नहीं, हर स्टेट में जहाँ पे भी पिलग्रिमेज प्लेसेस है ना, टेम्पल्स एंड ऑल, वहाँ का जो रोड होता है ना, वो रोड कंडीशन ऐसे ही होता है. पता नहीं इतना मतलब ट्रस्ट को पैसा मिलने के बाद भी वो लोग ये रोड्स बनाते क्यों नहीं है. खैर मेरे गला फाड़ने से कुछ होने वाला है नहीं. We have reached at मोरगांव. जो मैं बोल रहा था कि गणपति का टेम्पल है यहाँ पे, तो वहाँ पे हम लोग आए हैं. तो यहाँ से दर्शन करके we will go towards जेजुरी. I'm keeping my bag over here on her responsibility, she said. So this is Pooja ka plate with some yummy modak inside it and some sugar candies. Prasad hai, sugar candies nahi bolna chahiye. And some shoe flour, right? I don't know, this is called shoe flour. So that's the temple out over there, huh?
It's a place when we go to Ashtavinayak, no?
Huh?
It's a place from where we start actually.
Huh, right. So when we start doing Ashtavinayak Yatra, the 8 Ganpati ka temples, so this is the first place where we have to come first, and then the rest 7 temples we have to visit. So you see that's name of the temple written up over there, Shri Mayureshwar Mandir Morgaon, and the location is Chinchwad Devasthan Trust. Chinchwad is the place, I believe.
So it's compulsory to wear a mask over here. So this temple is fully sanitized, and they have taken care of each and everything out over here. I'm recording all the videos from my phone. I don't know whether it will be stabilized or not, but then that's the only option I have because I couldn't get my GoPro inside here. Cameras are not allowed. So let's see.
मोरगांव का जो गणपति है वहाँ का दर्शन हो गया एंड नाउ वी आर हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स जेजुरी व्हिच इज अबाउट 15 to 20 minutes far from here. So we're taking a small tea break. I know it's very hot right now, but then still I need a tea break because I'm feeling sleepy. And the reason behind that is I didn't had a sleep. I was working last night. If you can see, that's the temple out over there. It must not be visible that much, but then yeah, that's out over there. तो ऊपर जाना हम लोग को वहाँ पर and my brother knows a way from where we can go. You know, थोड़ा पीछे से घूम के जा सकते हैं, थोड़ा शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस पे है, इतना हाइट पे नहीं है. अगर यहाँ से जाएंगे तो थोड़ा हाइट पर है, थोड़ा ऊपर ज़्यादा चढ़ना पड़ेगा. एंड ही नोज अ वे, जहाँ हम पीछे से जाएंगे घूम के तो वो थोड़ा सा शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस पे होगा एंड हाइट भी थोड़ा कम होगा. And after wearing this riding jacket and everything, we won't be able to climb so much up over there. So the god's name is खंडोबा. जो हम टीवी पे भी देखते हैं, जय मल्हार करके सीरियल आता है वो. एक्चुअली मेरे कुल देवत है, मेरे फैमिली की कुल देवत है खंडोबा, तो उनके दर्शन के लिए यहाँ पे आया हूँ मैं. एयरकोट जय मल्हार, Sadananda Airport. So that's the prayer that we usually call out when we reach over here. So जब वहाँ ऊपर जब स्टेयर्स नहीं हुआ करते थे तभी यहाँ से ये जो रोड है यहाँ से लोग ऊपर जाया करते थे, ऐसा मुझे लगता है. आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, बट लुक्स लाइक दैट ओनली. पीपल आर गोइंग फ्रॉम हियर एज वेल. दिस वॉज रियली अ ग्रेट आइडिया बिकॉज हम लोग डायरेक्टली यहाँ पे ऊपर टेम्पल के पास पहुँच गए, कुछ ज़्यादा ऊपर चढ़ने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ी पैरों से. सो देर इज़ ओल्ड सेइंग, शायद ऐसा होता होगा पहले, आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट इट, कि ये जो टेम्पल है जेजुरी, इसे बोलते हैं कि सोने की जेजुरी. सोने की इसीलिए बिकॉज इफ़ यू विल सी पीपल विल यू नो पीपल आर लाइक, यहाँ पे जो हल्दी होता है, खंडोबा जो भगवान है उनको हल्दी चढ़ाई जाती है.
So finally लगेज जो है वो वहाँ पे रख रहे हैं वो शॉप पे, and we will be heading up over there. It's too hot. I'm wearing this thermal in this freaking hot summer. So not summer, but then it's quite very hot right now. And I'm completely wet from inside.
Sweating inside.
Sweating inside. How much Chiku said?
Happy journey.
Punchline.
महाराष्ट्रन लोगों में ऐसा होता है कि आफ्टर मैरिज दे कम टू हियर, दे कम टू दिस प्लेस along with the newly married couples come over here and they do this kind of you know, there's a tradition basically they do like this.
I forgot my mask.
This is the reason why it's called Soneachi Jejuri. You can find this haldi all over the place. This is the bag full of turmeric which we have to, you know, go up and spread all over the temple.
So I don't know the entire process, but then usually when I'm at home, my dad does all this thing and I follow him. But right now he's not with me and I have to do all this procedures. 4 सीढ़ी चढ़ाने की हालत ख़राब हो गई.
यार राउंड एंड राउंड एंड राउंड एंड राउंड. सीधा सीधा क्यों नहीं आ सकते? सरळ सरळ येऊ शकत नाही आपण. पूर्ण फिरते जादू जादू घूम घूम के आओ पूरा. फोटो काढण्यात सक्त म्हणायची. So one more tradition over here where you have to light some oil. What we need to do is we have to pour this oil into that flame out over there. I'm trying to take the camera inside. It's on. This is the main temple.
It was at this moment that he knew.
पकडला तिने. सरळ कॅमेरा त्याचा हात टाकला तिने. आता बाईने.
So it's almost what the time is. I think it's around 4 in the evening right now, and we are completely exhausted because of the hot weather, and finally got a lunch break, and this is our food. That's what I'm gonna have. So guys, I'm done with today's ride, and today's day was completely tiring. A pathetic experience because of the potholes all over the places where I was